Hey everyone! Ever had your Xiaomi Mijia 1C robot vacuum refuse to turn on no matter how many times you press that power button? Sound familiar? Don't worry, you're in the best hands. Let us show you how we tackled a similar issue and you how might just find the fix you need. So, a customer came to us with their Xiaomi Mijia 1C robot vacuum, saying it refused to turn on, even after pressing the power button over 10 times. We took the challenge head on. First, we tried turning it on. We pressed it and pressed it again, and then a few more times for good measure, still nothing. No movement, no whirring, just dead silence. We dug deeper and discovered the culprit, a faulty battery. No wonder our little vacuum body wasn't moving an inch. Imagine trying to go on a road trip with an empty tank, same deal here. With the battery being the root of the problem, it was clear that we needed a replacement to get things back in action. But wait, there's more. Given the vacuum's age, we also recommended a deep cleaning service. After getting the green light from our customer, we got to work. We swapped out the old battery and gave the vacuum a thorough deep clean service. In order to make sure the robot vacuum runs smoothly, we tested it before returning it to the customer. And voila! The Xiaomi Mijia 1C robot vacuum is now back in action, and it's ready to take on dust and dirt like a champ. No more power struggles, just smooth, efficient cleaning. After returning the robot vacuum to the customer was thrilled to see the robot vacuum working like new again. So, what's up with your robot vacuum? Give us a shout today and let's get it back in tip-top shape.